Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have a very fun first impressions video, and that is the Galaxy Tab S4 with the Android Pie One UI update. A lot of things have changed for the better, and I'm really excited about this update, especially because of some special additions that I'll go over before the end of the video. But honestly, this is just the first impressions and kind of some tips and tricks on what you should do with the new One UI. If you want a more in-depth video, let me know on specific features, or take a look at our Galaxy Tab S10. First things you should do, the One UI is very similar on that phone, so if you want a more in-depth video, check that one out as well. Now, let's get started on this One UI. So overall, this tablet has really changed, and in my opinion, for the better, especially with some specific updates. So let's go over first your notification panel. That changed. It looks different, it looks a lot better, and you have some things added on here at the top right here. You have Kids Home added, you have night mode, you have navigation bar. These things are added, and more to come if you do want to add a few things as well. So that being said, you also have the actual settings menu completely different, and you will notice a theme of everything kind of towards the bottom so you can easily touch or tap it. Now, biggest thing you want to do immediately is something I've already done here, which is in display, turn your night mode on permanently. Now, if you want a more in-depth one, you can schedule it, but night mode is simply this. The more black that you have on an OLED screen like this, the better your battery life is. So keep it night mode. And then you also can do the navigation bar if you want to change your buttons to full screen gestures, then you have that ability as well. I am okay with the navigation bar, but that does take up a little bit of space, so choose which one you rather have. Now, the other thing that I definitely will say is that all of your apps will change to this dark mode. So your calculator, your S Notes, and your file management system, all of the internal apps have changed to this new dark mode. They look a lot better, and they're just really a lot cleaner looking, and again, better for your battery. Now, the camera has changed as well, but I do want to let you guys know something immediately, which I kind of feel is very misleading on this one, and that is here. You have a wide and a zoom lens, but you only have one camera. So this is literally just digital zooming in. So don't zoom in. Keep your camera at this. If you zoom in, it will degrade the quality. So I just want to let you know that right from the get-go. Now you have a lot of things like stickers, Bixby Vision, timer, easy access to the ratio, although that will change the quality. So make sure to go into your settings and find out which kind of ratio and quality you really do want out of all of these. Then we also have to go over the big addition that you can now implement. So there are some things that were added with the general settings section. So under advanced features, you had some things added in Dex. In this section, you have a little bit more you can do, and hopefully more coming to the Dex Lab soon. Also, your game launcher now recommends games specifically for Dex, and it looks a lot better than that purple way it had before, where it only had 3 rows of apps. They were all to the left, and it was basically just a big advertisement thing. At least now your games have way more section, even though I really do want games on the left side, advertisement on the right. I really wish Samsung would minimize this advertising field. But I like the fact that you have games specifically for Dex at the top right here. So if you are a big Dex user, you have that ability. Now, the other thing you want to take a look at too is reduced animations. Make sure to turn that on. And again, we go over that more in the other video for the S10. Then finally, we have Good Lock. Now, Good Lock is a huge update. It's a separate downloaded app that you get from the actual Samsung Galaxy store. So you get it from here. If you do not have this in your country, that is possible, but if you do have Good Lock, it is an awesome update. So first off, I will say, Samsung, you really need to make this a landscape app, because right now it can only do portrait, which looks really bad in a tablet. So there are 3 things that I want to highlight here, and if you again want a more in-depth video, let me know and I will go to a more in-depth video for these 3. task changer, multi-star, and if you tap family, one-handed operation plus. So first off, the recent apps has been a big change, but it is better with this. So if I turn mine off, this is what you kind of get. So you have these apps cut off. You have a row of specific apps that it has seen you use a lot, but it just doesn't look as good. So what I recommend doing is downloading this one, this task changer, and then bam, this looks a lot cleaner, and then you have all of your multi-window apps as well available here. And if you notice, I have all multi-window apps available, so we'll get to that in a second. Another layout type is kind of sleek looking, is slim list. I really like this for phones more so, but for a tablet it's not bad. I just like the grid a little bit better for a tablet. So yeah, really nice looking. Okay, then we also have multi-star. Now multi-star is really important because it increases the split screen productivity on a tablet, which is very important. So one, your change split color can be changed to any color, which you want black. Again, more black, better battery. Multi-window without pausing. So you can actually use Netflix or certain things like that, YouTube, without actually pausing, even if you're not on that specific app. So that's really great. And then finally, you can enable all apps to multi-screen. Now it does have to reset to implement this, so you know, but once you have this, you can do apps that you never were able to beforehand. So to give you an example, let's go and grab this one. And so now we have a split screen, right? Then what we want to do is grab an app that we normally couldn't do split screen with. And there we have that there. And now I'm going to switch them, and now I'm going to get another app that I normally could not do split screen with. Let's go with Instagram. And there you have it. Two apps that you normally could not do split screen with, but now you can, and you have the split screen capability of watching your Netflix while going on Instagram. You can also do this with Amazon like I did the other day. I was just watching a Netflix comedy special and going on my Instagram and then shopping on Amazon. So really cool functionality that you have the ability to do with this. And again, it stands out a lot once you have that. Okay, and then the last one is going to be One-Handed Operation Plus. Now this feature is really cool, and it's really been updated to the best of its ability with good luck. So this allows you to use your left and right when you're holding your tablet in landscape to actually do a lot of things. So I have it set up to go back if I swipe this way, or if I go at an angle, I can actually pull up a small version of all of the apps that I have open and then jump right to them very easily. Then I have it so if I hold it for a long time, it does a screenshot really quick and easy. I love this one. Then you also can do different things like holding it down for a while. I can extend the notification panel, or I can just go home. So this is a really cool way just to be able to program everything very quick and easily, and definitely something I would recommend looking further into. Your pen can also do it too, so if you want, you can just jump with your pen as well. So really fun update, and I really do like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. For me, this has really brought new life into this tablet, and it's way better than I thought it would be. And it's really great because I'm going on a trip, and when I go on a trip, that's the main time I use my tablet for multimedia functionality, and I just love these new updates. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below, and is there something you want to see a more in-depth video on? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.